Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we have completed our thinking about text. Now today we will do the thinking about language of that lesson. Question number 1. Here are some sentences from the story. Choose the word from the brackets which can be substituted for the italicized words in the sentences. First one is, a few years later, the marriage failed, Brooke became weak. Second, Einstein was constantly at odds with people at the university. On bad terms, in disagreement, unhappy. Third, the newspapers proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. Declared, praised, showed. Fourth, Einstein got ever more involved in politics, agitating for an end to the arms build-up, campaigning, fighting, supporting. Fifth one, at the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled that he left the school for good, permanently, for his benefit, for a short time. Sixth, 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar, in a state of commotion, full of criticism, in a desperate state. Seventh, science wasn't the only thing that appealed to the dashing young man with the valorous mustaches. Interested, challenged, or worried? The answers are, in the first one, failed. In second, in disagreement. Third, declared. Fourth, campaigning. Fifth, permanently. Sixth, in a state of commotion. Seventh, interested. Now question number 2, study the following sentences. Einstein became a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining this skill throughout his life. Letters survive in which they put their affection into words, mixing science with tenderness. Here, complete the sentences below by filling in the blanks with suitable participle clauses. The information that has to be used in the phrases is provided as a sentence in brackets. Here, students, there are sentences we have to use the bracket words to complete it. Now, first one is, working round the clock, the firefighters finally put out the fire. Second, noticing the colors blending softly into one another, she watched the sunset above the mountain. Third, neighing continually, the excited horse pawed the ground rapidly. Fourth, having taken the wrong train, I found myself in Bangalore instead of Banaras. Having not bathed for 2 days, I was desperate to get to the bathroom. Sixth, the stone steps being worn down needed to be replaced. Seventh, the actor received hundreds of letters from his fans asking him to send them his photograph. The next writing skill is writing newspaper reports. Here are some notes which you could use to write a report. The notes is 21 August 2005, original handwritten manuscript of Albert Einstein unearthed by student Rowdy Boynck in the University of Netherlands. Boynck researching papers belonging to an old friends of Einstein, fingerprints of Einstein on these papers, 16-page document dated 1924, Einstein's work on this last theory, behavior of atoms at low temperature, now known as the Bose-Einstein condensation, the manuscript to be kept at Leiden University where Einstein got the Nobel Prize. Now the question is, write a report which has 4 paragraphs, one each on. So there are, in this report there are 4 paragraphs. Like first one is, what was unearthed? Second, who unearthed it and when? Third, what the document contained. And fourth, where it will be kept. So your report could begin like this. Answer. First one, student unearths Einstein manuscript 21 August 2005. An original handwritten Albert Einstein manuscript has been unearthed at a University of Netherlands. In second paragraph, a student named Rowdy Boynick was researching on the papers belonging to his old companion Einstein. Third paragraph, the document contained papers of Einstein's work on the last theory, behavior of atoms at low temperature. Nowadays, it is known as the Bose-Einstein condensation. And in fourth, the manuscript will be kept at Leiden University, where Einstein got the Nobel Prize. So here, students, we have completed thinking about language. So you have to write it in your notebook and learn it.